Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all are good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let me start English chapter number 10, The Magic Shop. लेने की एक जादुई दुकान. I had seen the magic shop on Regent Street after several times. मैंने जो है कई बार एक जादुई दुकान देखी है. I had passed the shop window of attractive little objects, magic balls and magic hats. है ना, जो उसके शीशे में मतलब जो डिस्प्ले किए हुए हैं खिड़की में शीशे में कोई मैजिक बॉल है, मैजिक हैट है. I had never thought of going in until one day Gib pulled me by my finger right up to the shop. I turned the door handle and we entered the shop for a moment. So we were alone and we could look about us. There were several crystal balls. ठीक है ना, एक दिन मैंने हैंडल से दरवाजा खोला और मैं उस शॉप के अंदर गया. मैंने उसके अंदर बहुत सारी क्रिस्टल बॉल्स देखी, मैजिक फिश बॉल्स, है ना, फिश बॉल्स देखा, मैजिक कार्ड, मैजिक मिरर, एंड बिहाइंड द काउंटर वाज अ क्यूरियस डार्क मैन विद वन ईयर लार्जर देन द अदर एंड अ चिन लाइक द टो कैप ऑफ अ बुक. है ना, तो उसके अंदर जितनी भी चीजें थी सब जादुई चीजें थी. What can we have the pleasure, he said, spreading his long fingers on the glass keys. I said, to buy my son a few simple tricks. ठीक है, मुझे अपने बेटे के लिए कुछ सिंपल ट्रिक्स चाहिए थी. said the shopman had and scratched his head for a moment as if thinking, then he drew from his head a glass ball. That's good, I said with a laugh. Isn't it? Said the shopman. Gibb stretched out his hand to take this object and found merrily a blank palm. It's in your pocket, said the shopman, and there it was. अब ये चीज जो है तुम्हारी. So, how much will that be? I asked. Between no money for glass balls, said the shopman politely. So then, with a start, I discovered something moving about in my bag. Something soft and jumpy. I quickly took it up, and a ruffled pigeon dropped out. It ran on the counter and disappeared into a cardboard box. Okay, so toot toot, said the shopman. He shook my hat and took out 2 or 3 eggs, 2 toy soldiers, a nice marble, a watch up and down glass balls, and crumpled paper. The crumpled paper rose and swirled on the counter more and more until the man was altogether hidden from us. I think we will go now, I said. I want the bill and my hat, please. उसने कहा कि जो है बहुत हो गया, चीजें मैंने सब देखने, तो प्लीज मुझे बिल दे दीजिए और मेरा हैट भी मुझे दे दीजिए. So there was no answer. The shopman seemed to have vanished behind a mountain of paper. What have you done with my hat? I asked after an interval. है ना, थोड़ी देर के बाद मैंने पूछा कि तुमने मेरी हैट के साथ किया क्या है. There was no answer. कोई उत्तर नहीं आया. I turned about and saw that Jib was standing on a little stool and the shopman was holding a sort of big drum in his hand. Before I could do anything, the shopman had clapped the big drum over him. I shouted, "Take that off." The shopman did so without a word. The little stool stood empty. "Stop this foolishness," I said. "Where is my boy?" I put out my hand to grab his hand, and he turned to skip. I did after him into total darkness. I was in Regent Street and I had banged into a decent looking man. A yard away stood Gibb looking a little worried. He came toward with a bright smile as thought for a moment he had missed me. He looked completely undamaged and very satisfied with the afternoon's entertainment. He was carrying 2 parcels in his arms. तभी वो 2 parcel अपनी भुजाओं में लेके आता है. I turned around to see the door of the magic shop and behold, so it was not there. There was no door, no shop, no nothing. So it is a magic. So everyone, the chapter is in here. I hope you are a very well understandable chapter. So we will meet you in the next class. Thank you everyone.